Yep, those two are. There's a bunch of snows. Oh, there's a snow. There's 3. They're going to turn here feet first. 5, yep. Get ready. I got the 3 on the right. Just kidding. Two on the right here in front of us. Rossi. Well, look at what's in the decoys here. Look, look. Snows? Yep. Sit. Sit. There's one on the ground here and one coming around. Oh, setting in out front. One coming around. Definitely a snow. Definitely snows. Kill him, kill him. Fuck it. I didn't have my goddamn safe off.
Watch this one over.
He's hitting the ass. He's hit hard in the ass. He's down. He's going to start locking up right about. Stay on him, Yeager. No. Yeager said, you didn't hit him good enough. I missed him twice. Worst part is I got that on video.